Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Pick a soft brush pen and smooth paper for predictable ink flow. Begin by sketching a light pencil grid for your index columns and margins so spacing stays consistent. Warm up on a scrap. Practice light upstrokes and firm downstrokes to feel pressure transitions. Once you have even strokes, transfer a faint pencil outline of your index headings. Make sure to keep your wrist relaxed. This helps you control thick and thin lines while you begin the first entries. You'll now form each letter with intention. Use a gentle touch for upstrokes and increase pressure on downstrokes to create contrast. Pay attention to letter height and spacing. Keep your pencil guides visible and refer to them often so entries align. Once done with a word, lift the pen cleanly to avoid blobs. Move methodically left to right and complete one line before starting the next column to maintain rhythm. If a stroke feels uneven, pause, breathe, and retry on scrap to preserve final consistency. You finish by letting the ink dry fully, then gently erase pencil guides to reveal clean lettering. If you see small smudges or uneven strokes, correct them with a careful white gel pen or a matching ink touch-up rather than heavy erasing. Once done, scan the index for consistent spacing and adjust remaining entries as needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If letters look shaky, practice the specific stroke on scrap and copy it slowly into the layout. This targeted repetition fixes timing and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.